Hey everybody, today I am in Lewisburg, Franklin County, North Carolina at the Franklin County Junior Disc Golf Series, the first ever event here at Unity Farm. So we're just hanging out and checking out the young kids, the future of disc golf playing and seeing what they can do. So far I've been pretty impressed. So I'm going to show some footage of them goofing off and throwing some discs and introducing themselves. So I hope you enjoy it. Here we go. Meow.
First on the tee, William Ollis from Fayetteville.
Oh yeah.
Next on the tee is Bentley Plyler from Rocky Mount.
This is a cool course, isn't it?
Yeah, this place is awesome.
Yeah. It's our favorite place to be. Me and a dog.
Avi got me by six strokes.
Oh yeah. That's not too bad as big as this course is.
I shot a 71.
71?
What's the par?
I don't know. It should be 72, probably. That's what normal par is for a golf course, you know? But I don't know. There's so many different variations to the course that I can't keep up with it all. What's up? How's it going?
You guys have a good round?
Hey, you want to be on YouTube?
Yeah, he wants
Introduce yourselves. Are y'all finished playing?
Yeah, we're done.
Yeah.
Tell them what your name is.
What's your name?
My name's Henry.
Henry. Where are you from, Henry?
I'm from Wilmington.
Awesome.
What'd you shoot, buddy?
Welcome.
I shot
74.
74.
All right. Do y'all know what par is? He was just asking. Like, there's so many variations. I don't know.
Yeah, I'm not sure.
I
How'd
know
you guys
what's
do?
what.
I shot 71.
Nice.
Yeah.
That's great.
We
played the wrong tees
64.
for the first 9 holes.
64.
64 from the Reds?
He was ripping it.
Yeah.
Killer. What's your name?
Oliver.
Did you win?
We don't know yet. You don't know. No, the scores aren't official.
Probably.
What age group?
Feeling
were you
good
in?
about it.
They were the U10.
U10? Yeah, buddy. Killing.
Nice. What about you guys?
My name is Riley. I am from Wilmington and I shot 95.
Right on. All right. Welcome to the course, man. Is this y'all's first time being here?
Yeah. Yes.
It's a cool course, isn't it?
Yeah,
It's a nice
sure
place.
It's quirky. We love it.
Yeah. We found my dog here, so
Oh no way.
it's has a special meaning for us as well.
Is this your course?
No, but Cut is his course, and he
I was
found.
curious. My wife was emailing with Cut. I'm like,
Yeah. So he found her a few days after Christmas,
Okay.
like one year, and we've just been together ever since. And this is like her place, you know.
Oh, man.
She loves it here, and
We were up
Cut's
there,
like
she was just ripping it down here, right,
Yeah.
right in the water.
she sees the water and she's gone. As soon as we turn on the road, you know, she
knows.
She knows exactly where we're at. Look at her go. That's Laverne. Fruit Loop. That's her nickname. Because that's her personality. Cool. Did you guys play? You play?
Yes.
What's your name?
My name's Sebastian and I'm from Wilmington.
Oh, okay, y'all from Wilmington?
Y'all all from Wilmington?
Cool.
Yeah.
Oh, cool. Nice.
Yeah, where are you guys from?
Raleigh.
Oh, cool.
Yeah, I'm from Raleigh.
Awesome, man. Yeah, tearing it up.
From Raleigh. Have y'all played the the Dorothea Dix course, the second one?
We haven't played the second one yet.
Yeah.
We've only done. We did the first one for a while.
We
That-
did a
that was
vlog
the
on the
course.
first one, but I haven't seen the second one.
Yeah. No, it was cool. We live right next to Cedar Hill, so that's
Okay, well,
that's
I'm
the
right.
home course.
I'm close to you then.
Okay.
I live about 4 miles from Cedar.
Okay.
She,
Come on, watch.
if it was floating, she would get it. If she can't get it underwater.
If you can't get it, I've got a disc catcher as well in my car. I can grab it. They got it.
Fishing for frisbees.
Happy, go get it. You can walk over here. Go get it.
There you go, nice.
Wow, impressive.
Manny, go throw your disc.
Impressive.
Come here. Are you playing Richard?
I had very little confidence. And that's brilliant.
I've seen guys go to ponds and just throw them out there hoping to catch one. Something like
Fishing.
Fishing.
Yeah, it's basically fishing. Exactly what that is.
Richard. Exactly what.
That one was stuff.
Well, okay then.
Oh, there you go. Nice.
All right, Richard, where are you throwing? With this.
Vandal.
Vandal. All right. There you go.
Battle golf.
There's my friend.
Hey, what's happening?
Good to see you.
How are you?
I'm glad Laverne's here.
Yeah, she is too. Good gracious. How'd you shoot?
I think one over.
What's par?
59?
Oh, okay.
So you shot a 60? What'd you shoot, buddy?
That's pretty slick.
What'd you shoot?
What do you mean when I shoot?
One over, two
Disc
over?
golf.
I don't know.
Disc golf.
Scores
you know.
don't matter.
What's your name?
Xavier.
Where are you from?
Asheville.
Awesome. Asheville.
He drove all the way here, too. And he got a new
Wow.
bag and a new hat.
Yeah.
That's a sweet hat.
And he's pretty
Let me see that
good.
bag. Let me see that bag.
Pretty good.
Oh, yeah. Sexy. Jude, I ain't seen you in a minute.
Yeah.
Hi.
Hey, what's your name?
Liam.
Where are you from? From Raleigh?
Yeah.
Yeah, cool. How'd you like the course?
Good.
Awesome. Cool, did you have fun?
Yeah.
Awesome.
What's your name again? Liam. You want to play this, Liam?
Whoa.
You know how to play it? Okay, how about we make some holes to these baskets that aren't here? Okay. Do a lot of looking. Hole 7's right here and hole 8's right here.
What's your name? Joshua. Joshua, nice to
He's
meet
one
you,
of the
Joshua.
champions from today.
You're,
Hey,
you live in Franklin County, right?
No, we live in Green Beach, Marine.
Where's that?
Yeah. Wait till you see the rest of them. Have you played the rest of them?
Oh, you smell it. Oh, yeah. Where's that sucker? Get it. Where's it at? Are we almost there? Yeah. Get it. Solidly falling. Get it. Get it. Get it. Oh, find it. Where'd it go? Where'd it go?
It went down a different hole.
It went deeper. It probably did.
All right, girl. Let's clear up your mess.
We know that. Uh-oh.
Laverne, nope. Good girl.
I'm going over. I'm even.
Wow.
I'm going over. I'm going over. Where's three? That's this These are par ones. These are par.
Two. Part two.
Oh!
Yeah, I'm even.
Oh!
Good shot.
I'm even. Juicy girl. I was even.
Everybody? Oh.
Oh, we're all trees now again.
Moving trees.
Oh, he has the proper stance on his knees.
That's how you do it.
Oh, look where he landed at. Small basket on your knees.
Whoa.
If it's a small basket, you must be on your knees. Change it out. I'm 1 over. Hey, that's mine. I'm 1 over. You have to be on your knees. Otherwise, it's not.
You can put.
Yeah. Okay. We
Dave,
need to
on
block
your
him.
knees.
We need to block him. On your knees. On your knees.
It's hard enough already. You don't need defense.
Get out. Okay. Back up. Back up. Back up. Back up. It's like the basketball.
Oh, free throw. Rebound.
Dylan gets the rebound.
Good part.
He wasn't on his knees.
Let me get a slow motion shot of you. Let me get a slow motion shot of you throwing. Throw one for me. Crusher. Nice.
No, I'm a tree that throws. Jesus Christ, you almost just like took out my intestines. That throw. Like cut them open.
Like Jack the Ripper.
What, doggy?
He's on his knees. It doesn't fit. Nope, it doesn't fit.
Pig jammer. Mini pig jammer. Piglet jammer.
I have a better hole. What if you go from? No, that's not good. Oh, that's so. One more tree. Oh my God. Throw it forehand. More left. You know how you throw forehand? Throw with 2 fingers. On your knees. The knee god. He summons you on your knees. Okay. Somebody make a hold.
Nice.
Okay. You do.
Get out of the way, girl. That's a baby. That's a baby. Oh, man. That was close.
Yeah. Here. You have to get low. On your knees. Oh my God!
Oh yeah. You know, sitting back and watching people play this course,
Yeah.
it is a beast.
Yeah.
So Zach was just playing, we're coming down 720 there. He's on the upper part of the fairway coming down, over in the woods to the right. So he tried to just throw tomahawk out to go slide down. He threw it, missed it. It went through all these woods there. It got within 15 feet of the edge.
Dang.
So he accidentally tomahawked and it didn't hit anything. So then he's got a little tight line for a cut and roll. And again, he was just trying to get out of the woods.
Yeah.
Throws it and then ends up rolling down and parking it. He took a 5 cutting through those woods. I've never seen it before.
Wait, so can you explain that to me? Yeah.
Well, since that's out of bounds, you're allowed up to 3 feet from the out of bounds line, even if your disc is not out of bounds. Settle.
Nope. I'll see.
Yes, you did.
I'll see.
Good up.
Good look. Yeah, Fruit Loop film.
Sit down.
Oh, yeah.
Good job, Will. Better way to finish.
There you go.
Good picture.
Oh, that's real flippy.
Don't get it.
Right?
Richard!
we're gonna play mine, son.
I thought that was gonna go into the woods.
No, it finally got the angle right on it.
He parred hole 3. What are you doing?
Look, I have a rookie to start. Stop touching my
Yeah,
dick!
hole 3 is like the easiest hole ever.
No, you can't.
Oh, that's perfect, Judah.
Get over. Stay over.
Go roller.
I threw it low.
Hey, that's in the middle. You take that in the
It would've
tournament
been
all day long.
This goes to my brother. Well, that works perfect. Oliver's number 1. Great job. And then James did win the CTP.
That's right.
Great shooting, guys. Thank you so much for playing.
Absolutely, this is fun.
Hope y'all had fun.
trophy.
You show them, Bobby?
Congratulations, Beaver boys. You guys are at the top of the list.
Kale LaVisca's 8 through 11.
The best thing.
He's
This is
Oh, that's the best thing. Hey, could you, Bear, can you get a picture? Are you taking video?
Yeah.
Tell them what you said.
the best thing.
Yeah. That's a unicorn badge of honor. Oh, we got a rocket.
There you go.
We played well in the ocean, just not like you.
Please get us there.
We just played like average.
Nice thing.
Can I get a picture?
Oh, trophy. Taking pictures of people taking pictures.
You can put your mouse down for one second so you can see your channel.
Okay, I don't know what is going on with my phone.
What was your best shot of the day?
This is what my phone's like.
Oh my god.
Hey, you ready?
Here.
Remember?
The last one.
Yeah.
Nice.
Kevin Jones
Now
shot
it works for me. Perfect. Yes, Joshua getting in there with him. Perfect. I love it. Congratulations.
He's
I
getting his
hope y'all
picture
plan
taken with
on
all the
coming out to
Champ.
Yeah.
I'm the champ sidekick.
series. I haven't, I'm gonna send out.
Come here. You're a stupid puppy. Why are you making my pants?
Y'all got a McCoy in the family.
Yeah.
Congratulations.
Yeah.
It's
The
awesome.
bloodline will continue.
Going bigger and bigger.
What's his name?
Emerson. Emerson Hall.
How professional are you?
What you doing, bro? You need some love?
Bring back a couple of those little apple turnover things. Yeah, I'm gonna look for them if they're in the
Yeah, over there.
See you in a bit. You guys need anything from the
Two for
house?
me.
We love you so much. 3 for
Two of
now.
those.
I want the latest
You know, you think I know something like this.
Yeah.
They would have
171.
You want 60s if you can find one.
I don't think they're
right.
right.
Like Charlie told me.
Yeah, there's a lot of children's here, so they probably scooped up all the lighter one.
I mean, you need to. You
Oh,
want something
turn.
like- I got like
That's a sexy turn right there. Look at that.
But do they have 150s?
170. 170 turn.
Yeah, but it's pink.
That's good. Pink.
Oh, okay.
Throw pink.
Pink is
It's a thing. Thanks everyone for joining us for another episode of Fruit Loop Films. I hope you enjoyed this Junior Disc Golf Series episode. And we'll be back for Tall Timbers in June. So we'll see you then. And until then, peace. Keep it fruity. All right.